Thutha wa gutorania ikinya ria mbere mihango-ini ya gwetha giturwa kia mucirithania munene bururi-ini, jaji wa igoti ria gucokia cira Rico Martha Koome niagiire na mweke gwitetera mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie watho na kihoto thutha wake gukorwo endekithitio kuiyukia giturwa giki ni kamiti ya kunyabara mihango ya magoti JSC.
Honorable members of this august house,
Koome akihuthira mweke uyu nieranire kugathika mitaratara iria yagiriire na ya kiriu niguo kunyihanyihia muhatikano wa macira makiria megie ngukumio na maria makoretwo makomete magoti-ini kwa ihinda iraya.
What the Kenyan want is services. They do not just want to hear who is not doing what. They just want to know when they file a case, they will be sure that within a defined period of time, they will get justice. So it is of utmost importance that the judiciary should work together with the other arms of government, which I call interdependence.
Koome uria ukurikanite kumana na murugamo wake wa kuhuranira ihoto cia ciana na atumia na kuri uguo niathing'iriirio kuregana na muhuhu ukoretwo gitambio. Gukirikana niekemagira muno mwena wa atumia macira-ini maingi na muno makiria niemenete arume.
The office of the Chief Justice and the office of the Deputy Chief Justice will be from one gender. Now, I want you to speak to the other gender, not your own. Do they have a cause of concern?
There is talk and rumor that you are a feminist and you hate men. Please clarify that.
I do not hate men. As a matter of fact, I've been married for the last 35 years. I got married when I was very young. I went to the University of Nairobi when I was already married, so I know how difficult it is to balance a family and balance education. But I'm so proud that I graduated with a daughter. I graduated with a husband who has remained my dear partner and compatriot all these years. So I support families. All my life, I have worked for families because I know the family is the background of the society.
Koome uria wamurirwo ni kamiti ya JSC gatagati-ini ka andu angi kenda aria maikitie ihoya makienda giturwa kia mucirithania munene bururi-ini nieranĩire kwaraniria na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niguo gwetha kihonia kia ndũngũmano iria ikoretwo ho igie kwamũrwo kwa majaji 41 na aria mendekithĩtio ni kamiti ya JSC.
So it is of utmost urgency that these 40 judges are sworn in office. So I will negotiate because, like I said, I have very good negotiation skills. If there are problems with some, that problem can also be sorted out, because if you have a problem as a judge, it must be sorted out one way or the other.
Thutha wa kurikiriria uthurimi uyu kamiti no riu iguthie keheri niguo kuhariria riboti yao ya muthia na iria magatemania bunge-ini niguo kuhitukia kana guteaniria kwamũrwo gwa Koome mbere ya ritwa riake ritumitwo kuri mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta uria ukamwamũra na kumuhitithia kuiyukia giturwa kia mucirithania munene bururi-ini. Angikorwo Martha Koome no kuihũria ithenya ria mucirithania munene bururi-ini akuingira mabuku-ini ma kiririkano ta gukorwo ariwe mutumia wa mbere kwamũrwo kuiyukia giturwa kia mucirithania munene bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.